Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Check. Today, I have something that I picked up from my not-so Prime Day shopping. This is the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam. This webcam here is said to give a full 30 frames per second at 1080p or 60 frames per second at 720p while streaming. Alright, well as you can see, got a nice glossy picture on a nice matte background. So let's flip it over and look. Alright, what's included here? It says that it works on Windows and Mac. What's in the box? Got your camera, tripod, and a manual. You can also get this version without a tripod, but who wants no tripod? On the back here, you got C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam, 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second, premium video quality every time you broadcast. Get the hyper-fast frame rate in HD, advanced capture software. Then down here, you have how it rates against other cameras in this field. Also, this one comes with a tripod and 3-month version of XSplit. There is the C922X, which comes with 6-month version of XSplit. However, you don't get this fancy little tripod here. This tripod being fully adjustable tabletop tripod with a swivel mount and extends to 18.5 centimeters. Then you have that same information just down here. On the bottom, you have your system requirements, and you just have in multiple languages, and then how to get in contact with Logitech if you have any issues. So, enough about the box. Let's open it up. Okay, so I got a little antsy, made a stupid mistake, and I actually cut the tape before turning the camera on. But I haven't got into it yet, so I guess let's do that now. The box is closed, a simple piece of tape right here and another one at the bottom. So, just pull this little lip open, lift the top, and there's your camera. Alright. Let's see, does that come, yeah, that just pops right out there. Oh, the cord's attached. Of course the cord's attached, Andrew. Alright, let's get this camera out, take a quick look at that. Alright. There you have the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam. You got little plastic covers on most of it. I'll just leave them on for the minute. Got this plastic one down here that I'm probably going to have to take off to show you how this mount works. So let's see, how does that work? Oh, that's a little awkward. Okay. How's this? There we go. Alright, so I guess it just folds over. Let's pull this back around. There we go. Get that wrap off so you can see. Alright, there's a mount for like a tripod or something. It extends. Oh, some more cover. So I guess that would be if you were a little rubberized here. So that's good if you were placing it on a monitor, right? Let's see if you could see that better. Placing it on a monitor, the rubber would help not damage anything. Oh, so that's pretty neat. I don't see any other little rotation there, not exactly. Oh, yeah, so that would be for your placement, right? Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Wondered why that moved. And then a little rotation hinge here, so lots of movement on this webcam to get that perfect angle. I really like that. Now this was said to come with a tripod, so let's go find that tripod. Going back to the box here. Oh, I think I see it. Let's see, how do I get this out? Oh, this whole piece just comes out? Okay, there we go. So this whole piece just comes out as one right here. Move the box. And then, we just gotta slide that out, I guess. And there's your tripod. Nice. Alright, so that's fully adjustable, as you can see, on a little ball right there. And then I guess you would just put it in whatever position you want and lock it down with this, like a regular yeah. Alright, so that's pretty tight too. Oh, that moves, okay. So that's good. And you got the 3 extendable legs, the screw. Oh no, just pull and push. Your 3 extendable legs, pull, and just push close like that. And you just angle them back in. And there you have it. That's your tripod. So let's try putting the camera on the tripod. Obviously, you just got to screw this on somehow. Well, let's tighten this first. There we go. Screw this on fairly simply. Oh, I unlocked it there. So this little hinge here, or however it's held closed, isn't very sturdy. So like it doesn't hold very tight. So it's not the best tripod, but included for free. It's up to you. Choose a tripod and 3-month XSplit, or no tripod and 6-month XSplit. Looking in the box here, you just have this last little piece of cardboard and then some special offers, so I'm just going to hide that for a second so I don't show you any codes that I might want. Yeah, alright, so this right here is paper with the code for the 3-month XSplit trial. Then you have your Logitech important safety, compliance, and warranty information. Alright. Then Stream Webcam Setup Guide. These are going to be hard instructions to follow. Alright, so 2 steps. I don't know. I think we can do it. And that's everything. It comes in the box with the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam. If you like this webcam and would like to get one for yourself, I've left some links in the description below where you can do that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.